In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Obsidian to write a novel. Obsidian is a powerful note-based writing environment that keeps your ideas connected, organized, and easy to navigate. By the end, you'll have a clean structure for your book, plus a simple system to develop characters, track locations, outline your plot, store research, and reuse templates as you write. First, open Obsidian and get into your writing space. If you already have a vault, open it. If not, create a new one dedicated to your novel. Keeping everything in a single vault helps with search, linking, and backups. Choose a clear folder location on your computer so you can find and sync your work easily. Create a new folder and name it My Novel, or use your working title. This becomes the home base for all your book materials. Inside this folder, you'll add notes that act like sections of your writing binder, so everything stays grouped and predictable. Add a note called manuscript and start writing. You can draft your entire book in this one note using headings for chapters or create subnotes for each chapter and link them here. Use headings like Chapter 1, Scene Breaks with Horizontal Rules, and the Preview mode to see clean text. If you like to monitor progress, the status bar word count is handy for daily goals. Next, add a note called Characters and begin listing your cast. For each character, you can include a mini profile, name, role, goal, conflict, backstory, and key relationships. Link character names to scenes in the manuscript using double brackets so you can jump between their profile and the places they appear. Add a note named Locations and start capturing settings. Note the atmosphere, sensory details, history, and what changes over time. Link each location back to the scenes that take place there. This keeps continuity checks quick and reduces rewrites later. Create a note titled Plot and begin outlining. Break your story into acts, beats, or chapters with headings. Use checkboxes for milestones you've drafted, and link each beat to the related scene in the manuscript. This gives you a living outline that updates alongside the writing. Add a research note and begin collecting references, snippets, and links. Summarize what matters in your own words and tag items so they're easy to filter. Keep source details so you can verify facts later. Finally, add a templates note and draft repeatable structures like a character sheet, a location sheet, or a scene card. Copy and paste these when you create new notes to stay consistent. That's your novel workspace in Obsidian. Simple, connected, and ready for momentum.